Former President Donald Trump will take the stand today in his own defense in his civil fraud trial. His testimony comes after both his sons, Don Jr. and Eric Trump, testified just last week. Fox 5's Robert Moses is live on the trial from Lower Manhattan. Good morning, Robert.
Dan, good morning to you. Former President Donald Trump is the only witness on the schedule for today, so expect prosecutors to have many questions for him. At stake is his New York business empire.
Former President Donald Trump will take the stand this morning as prosecutors near the end of their case in the civil fraud trial in which he is a defendant. He could have invoked his constitutional right not to testify, but a jury, or in this case a judge, can draw a negative conclusion from that decision in a civil case. Yesterday, Attorney General Letitia James, who filed the lawsuit that led to the trial, said on X, "Trump can try to hide his wrongdoings behind taunts and threats, but we will not be bullied out of uncovering the truth." The former president has excoriated James and Judge Arthur Engoron, both Democrats. His son Eric also hit back at James last week after he and his brother Don Jr. testified.
And the witch hunt that this woman is under, the witch hunt that this person is under to get my father for political purposes is disgusting.
The former president's legal travails don't appear to have hurt him politically. According to new polling from the New York Times and Siena College, he leads President Joe Biden among registered voters in 5 of 6 key states that the president won in 2020. Former President Trump leads by double digits in Nevada, by 6 in Georgia, 5 in Arizona, 5 in Michigan, and 4 in Pennsylvania. President Biden leads former President Trump only in Wisconsin. Today, the campaign trail once again runs through State Supreme Court in Lower Manhattan. In perhaps a preview of coming clashes, last month after the judge unexpectedly called the former president to the stand to determine if he violated a rule prohibiting comments about court staff, Engoron called the former president's testimony hollow and untrue. He then slapped him with a $10,000 fine to go along with an earlier $5,000 fine for criticizing Engoron's law clerk. Court will not be in session tomorrow since it's Election Day. The prosecution expects to conclude its case on Wednesday by calling the former president's daughter, Ivanka Trump, to the stand.
More now from that Times Siena College polling. A whopping 71% of respondents think that President Biden is too old. Just 39% feel the same about former President Trump. We're live in Lower Manhattan this morning. Dan, back to you.
Busy day. Okay, Robert, thank you very much.